HardMagic presents Pedadida, an open-source education platform. It provides a full website, media library, task system, classroom, and discussion board. A simply elegant experience on all mobile and tablets, a beautiful and exciting new approach to education. So easy to swipe through material and even take classes from your mobile device. Click any media from the class and become immersed with a full-screen viewing experience. This works with books, videos, audio lectures, music, apps, and more.
Hello, I'm lead developer Matt Hackney on the Pedadida project. And I'm also a teacher as well as a programmer, so I really understand what a university needs. I teach with UC Santa Barbara. I have interns all over the country, New York University, University of Texas, and I've been doing this over 10 years. So I really understand from the student's perspective what they want to see when they're in a classroom, and I understand the teacher's perspective of what they want to offer in a curriculum. We've been able to create this by taking open source programs such as WordPress, Resource Space, ThinkOffice, Moodle, and SMF Forum. We've combined all of those into this program that you see here in front of you. And as you saw in our little commercial, it really is incredible on what it can do. So I've taken all of those over the past 3 years. I combined them for my own company. In my company, I have fitness certifications, so I need a place for my students to go online, take classes, interact with each other, and Pedadida has been my answer for that. So in taking it from a commercial application over to an open source application, that's where I need your help. I want to show other universities and other platforms that this can be used in many different settings. Whether you're a middle school that needs programming, whether you're a university, there's many different places that we can use the Pedadida platform. There are schools around the country that are trying to take their classes and make them digital. They have the tablets already, they have the resources in front of them, but they don't have a platform for their classes to be online. That's where Pedadida gives them the solution.
The technology can help students, individualize their own learning and learn their own content. Our Secretary of Education, Arne Duncan, has called for the elimination of paper textbooks in the next few years and to go all digital. So sure, we're getting 7,000 tablets, but we're not doing it with additional funding. We're not doing it through grants. We're not doing it in any kind of unsustainable way. We're doing it right out of our capital budget. A quick way to think about it is it's about $100 per year per student to provide them a pretty powerful learning device. Well, right now we are spending $100 per student per year on copies and paper, 22 million in our school district each year.
So when you combine a classroom with a media library, with a task management system, and a discussion board, all within the Pedadida interface, it really opens up a lot that you can do with your students. For example, with my company, we've been able to take this to a complete new level. Not only do we have a learning platform for the students, but now we have an interactive website that as they're learning, their material gets uploaded to their own website. So you have a choice when you install Pedadida. Do you want to have a platform and a profile for each of your students? Or do you want to have each student have their own website within your website? So this creates a lot of personality and a dynamic atmosphere with teachers, with students, and even their parents and the community. The purpose of Pedadida is to take the classroom, make it more engaging, and then allow students to leave and do that classwork from anywhere. People love the interactivity of a teacher, and Pedadida does not compete with teachers. We encourage teachers to use Pedadida in their normal curriculums, and they will see that it enhances the student's learning process. So we already have a 1.0 beta for Pedadida, and you can help us by giving us the tools to take this to a production level. Being a university, you don't want to work with a program that's in beta. We understand that. So we need the community involvement and we need the resources available to us to test this out at a few universities, make sure that it works to their standards, and then provide this on a mass scale. We have big goals for Pedadida, and with your help, we can make that a reality. We designed the platform and our main focus is making sure that you have a responsive HTML5 experience with your university, because that is the data and that is the classroom of tomorrow. We also have some incredible prizes for you, such as my book, 7 Steps to Perfection. This is a book that I give to my students so that they can understand how the Pedadida experience works. So we really thank you for making this possible. We hope that you're just as excited as we are to get Pedadida launched.